So there's the carburetor off of that 5.5 horsepower 1955 Johnson outboard I have, and I could not get that Johnson to run. Now, my assumption was it was not sucking up any fuel. So, I got to do some more cleaning on this. So this time I'm actually going to do it right, because I should have did it right the last time. I'm going to take off this little bowl here and get down in there and clean. Should have did that last time. I never did. Oh, this bowl does come off good. I never wanted to get that off last time. But it needs cleaned. Don't know what this. You know what? No. Leave that alone. Leave that alone. Let's take a look in here. She's dirty in there. But how do I get that off? Not sure. You know what? Let's take the bowl off. That's probably my safest bet right now. So, take the screws out of her. And what carburetor was this? What was the number on this one? There's a number there. I don't think that's the number. I really don't know. It's original Johnson carburetor, because the other carburetor I have is the same as this one. I could have taken the other carburetor off of the donor motor I had, but I didn't want to. So I decided to take this one apart again. And yeah, I do have another carburetor, which I could use if I can't get this one working. But I'd have to clean the other one up too, I'm sure. So let me just do that. Did I stick this on tight? She's on tight. Ooh, she's tight. Why is it so tight? Because I left a screw in it. This one, instead of having 4 screws, has 5. That would probably be a good reason why it didn't come off. Well, what can I say? I know when I'm wrong. And I'm wrong on that one. There we go. And look how easy it comes off when you get all the screws out. So, there we are. She's pretty clean inside. Smells like fuel inside because, yeah, I did. Let's take this off here. I'm gonna take this off. Don't know if I did last time. I'm not sure if I did take this off. I'm not sure at all. I gotta get a punch to fit through there. So, man, are you guys even in camera here? A little better. So I got a little punch here. Gee, it's a little screwdriver. Just put her through there. And there we go. I'm not sure if I took that off last time. In fact, I really don't know. I just don't know. So, well, that's dumb of me. Oh. There we go. Not sure if I took that off. I can't remember if I did or not. I was pretty sure I did. I can't remember. There's that. Can we see through there? Yeah, we see through there pretty good. She's pretty clean in the upper part here, because this is where I cleaned before. I was sure I cleaned her really well. And yeah, there's nothing in there that's dirt, really. Did I think I cleaned out this port here too. Yeah, she's pretty clean, so I'm just gonna put that back together. So I think I already did that. Yeah, I did. I remember having trouble with this screw. Put that back in. It was that pickup tube down there where I didn't take out. And that's probably my problem. Oh, there we are. I thought I had the camera going, but I did not. And, well, I'm not sure here why this is so dirty. Yeah, I can see there is nothing going through here at all. I don't think there's anything going through. Well, maybe. Something must be going through. Or, yeah, I don't think it's going through at all. I don't. And I'm not sure how this is working. Let me straighten this up. That's pouring out good. Yeah, it's busy at work today. So I'm not sure what's going on here. This thing is a little different than I'm used to working on. It's not a normal type of carburetor, I have to say. This cup is super dirty. Let her soak a little. So I'm not sure. Just trying to get inside of these and clean them up. Okay, that one comes right there. Okay. So I'm not sure how the fuel is sucked up. I don't know the inner workings of this carburetor as well as I think I should. So let's clean this cup, hopefully as good as we can. I'm just using brake clean here because it's very good at cleaning with this cup. Yeah, it looks like it's been dirty for a long time. So that's just, she's pretty clean. I think it's, yeah, it's a plastic cup. No, okay, that goes through right to here. I am not sure. So fuel comes in through here. Okay, let's just put this back together a little bit. I don't feel this sucked up through here. At least I know that about carburetors. That is in. This goes back on here. Thing is, I won't be able to run this thing until now the summer, since we have now winter setting in, to see if I actually get her fixed, which kind of sucks. That is on. Let me put this back on. Well, cleaning that out there couldn't have hurt, right? All I know is it just wasn't sucking up any fuel. It was kind of annoying. So, just did not want to suck up fuel. Well, now what? I've cleaned every passage I could. What goes on like that? What was on here? What was on there? Wasn't there something here? It's got threads like there was something there. What was in there that I don't have there now? Okay, 1 second. All right. I knew there was supposed to be something there that I didn't have on this carburetor. Sounded like a filtration. Yeah, I went to the donor motor carburetor to see what might have to be there, and I found this. And it's a filter. That is a filter. So, I took it off the other one. And I'm going to put it on this one. That's kind of shocking. There we go. And that is a... Who knew? I didn't know there was supposed to be a filter there, but I sure put it on now. There we go. And now we have a filter on there. To keep crap from getting inside the carburetor. Wow. I did not know this. Well, okay. Let's hope that does what it's supposed to do there. Right, I have to put the needle and seat look fine. Actually look really good. So, I'm not going to worry about that. Give it a few taps. There we go. That is in. I do notice there might be a crack. Darn, there might be a crack in the float. No, there is no crack in the float. It's just the way the plastic was made. I guess, actually, yeah, I'm going to put this on. Yeah, put that on. Leave her out a bit. Leave this loose. Sure glad that I got that figured out. Wow. That's a shocker. why can't I? Oh, okay, clip on straight. There we go. And soon I'll be done. I did take this carburetor apart, but I didn't know there were so many missing pieces. So, yeah, it's kind of nice. The other carburetor has the missing pieces. I know the other carburetor is not in great shape, but it does have the pieces I need. And we'll see if it runs this spring, that motor. I'm not going to do the pulse fuel pump with it. I'm actually going to try to rig a higher up fuel system for it so it can just gravity feed into the carburetor. And I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. Kind of like an IV bag kind of like thing. So I can just feed into the carburetor somehow. I got to figure that out. Still, like, I just don't know yet what I'm doing, but I hope to have that motor up and running this spring and summer. Hopefully now that this carburetor looks like it may be ready to go now, but we'll have to see. But there we go, she's done, and I thank you for watching. And stick with the channel. Please subscribe. I'll bring you more videos in the future.